Hi. Today we're going to Thomson Hill. Wow. Oh my god, very big house, man. Wow, this is definitely my dream house. Huge. Wow, still messy, man. This is still not ready to move anywhere. This was requested to install first, so let's take a look. This is fine. Check inside here. The power not ready. Okay, after talking to the contractor, so we proceed to install. Guys, I show you the result later. See you. Okay, the installation is completed. Everything was fine, and now we can do testing. Thank you for watching, and see you again. Bye.